dasal. Puso ay nakalay, pagkat nila mahal kitang tunay. Ikaw ang aking pag-ibig, ang nagbibigay kulay sa aking daigdig. Wala nang nanangisin pa kung magpakailanman ay kasama ka.
Okay, Sanchez.
Hi Arnold, you have a very good texture of your voice, and the presentation is really very good. You can sustain it, and very good control. For me, it's a very good performance.
Hello, Arnold. Asante mo boses nyo? Yun. Maganda yung boses mo. Medyo nahulit na lang. May part na nahuli ka, tsaka may part na nahuli ka. So, dapat pag-aralan mo yun. Vocal, sute. Yan lang.
Arnold, congratulations kasi nakakit ka na sa semifinals. So it's really an achievement, no? Hindi naman laging winning or losing, but it's joining, and inspiring others. Actually, your voice is very good, pero I don't agree with the song number that you presented. Unang-una, kasi yung voice mo, hindi siya bumagay doon sa kanta. Medyo hollow kasi yung boses mo. So siguro kapag ang kinanta mo is yung mga classics, mas siguro mas bumagay yung song. Though na-accomplish siya ng tama, pero yun nga, siguro medyo maging sensitive ka sa pag-select ng song.
There was a facial expression, which I think